Today we'll talk about how can you enable product recommendations on your notification on your PowerPoint app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on settings, just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on push notifications, you just click on it here. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on notification categories. You come to next step here, come here to product recommendation. Just click in this sign, like you see this color show for us. That's the main product recommendations notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.